Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. It's about 5:30 at night. Well, you can call it night, whatever. It gets dark this time of year, December. I'm headed right up the road from the office here. I'm actually in 443 here, the old flatbed rollback that I used to drive. Before I got into doing heavy duty towing. It was the one sitting at the yard here, and we had a customer call that's right up the road. Got an F-150 stuck in the ditch, needs a winch out real quick. So we're gonna run up there and yank him out. Since I was the closest one here, I get to go do the run. So jump back at the old girl and let's go get her done. I think I see him here, maybe. You needing the winch out?
Yeah, let me jump in with you. I've got a key in my pocket.
Okay.
Well, I thought that was you, the first one.
Yeah.
I thought it was you. I don't know if all my step nuts and we're seeing two records over here.
No.
Yeah, just right down here.
What happened? Just get too far off the road?
I was helping this girl had this mattress on the back. I was giving it to her, helping her out.
I got
you. I
you.
pulled off in the yard, and then when I got back up on the concrete, I slid off, then just kept sliding.
Gotcha.
And it started, right when it started raining. If it hadn't started raining, I thought it was all right.
Yeah.
Let's see, where's this thing at here?
That's you right there, the white one?
Yeah.
I gotcha. Oh, that shouldn't be no big deal.
No, if you got a rollback, should pick it right up. It's just that Dwayne ditch there, you know? See how deep that ditch is?
Yeah, that should be no big deal. We'll get you out of there for... Not right now. We'll... See if I remember how to run a rollback. Not the one I want. There it is. Works on diesel? Stones over on exit 86.
86 Stones.
Stones off of Miller's Mill Road. Yeah. I don't know. I tell people I'm not a mechanic.
Yeah.
I'm a broken vehicle relocation expert.
Yeah. Stone, huh?
Yeah.
Give him a call this morning. That's four-wheel drive. Up 350, it's probably got it.
Oh man, what am I doing?
Messed up spot there, ain't it?
A little bit. Could have been a lot worse.
Oh yeah.
If you hadn't stopped when you did. That way I avoid that exhaust. You can go ahead and get in there and start it, but don't do nothing yet. You're a little bit out of practice on a rollback. So I only hooked to the one side because I don't want to drag it farther down in the ditch.
Leave it in, what do you want to do?
No, I want you to put it in neutral in just a second, but not yet.
Okay.
All right, let's go ahead and put it in neutral.
Go ahead and put it in.
Put your foot on the brake, yep. All right, let off the brake. It's gonna roll back a little bit. All right, now keep your window rolled down, and I want you to keep that steering wheel just perfectly straight for me, okay?
Straight right now?
Yes, sir. Yeah, don't let it turn on you, okay? Brakes, 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 brakes. Turn all the way to the left. All right, let the truck roll backwards. Okay, it's not gonna roll. All right, hold on. Hold your foot on the brake. I'm not gonna be able to get into that. Let off. Turn your wheel to the right. Turn your wheel to the right. Do what?
You say turn to the left?
Turn to your right. Right there.
Leave it there?
Yeah, what you're gonna feel is the front right's gonna pop up and it may try to roll on you again. If it starts rolling faster, then I'm winching, hit your brakes again, okay?
Okay.
But that front right tire is gonna pop up on the curb here in just a second, okay? Now turn that wheel to the left. And brakes. There you go. Beautiful. Go ahead and put her in park. a quick winch out for you. Appreciate you watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.